For element map data, there's a wealth of information stored within each pixel, as in the intensity of each element is included in the pixel brightness value. So we want to be able to extract that information, potentially to use it in other programs. For example, if you wanted to use it in MATLAB or something, we would want to export those data values in their rawest form. The easiest way to do that is to export your map as a CSV, a comma separated value. And to do that, we need to individually click on each of the element maps that we've made. If we right click on it, you can export map data values. That will give you the CSV option. You choose where to save it and save. And you just need to run through each of the individual elements. Until you get to the bottom. And then we have each of our element map data for each element saved as CSV.